I'm frequently asked by businesses, CFOs, business owners, what limit of insurance should we carry? How much umbrella should we buy? I don't want to be overinsured. There's no definite formula. There's no A plus B equals here's the limit you should carry. Unfortunately, it's not that easy, but it's definitely worth having a good conversation about it. And it's a great question. So here's 4 tips that I would talk about as a leadership team when you're trying to determine how much umbrella to carry. The first thing to consider is what's the net worth of the company? Is what do you have, at risk? Is it $10 million? And if you had a major lawsuit, would you want to potentially lose all that? Not saying you have to carry an umbrella limit that equals that or is greater, but just something to think about. The second thing to consider is what are your peers carrying? Ask for some benchmark data and find out what companies in your state that are your size, that are in your industry, what limits of insurance are they carrying? That can definitely put you at ease or give you some level of comfort to know that you're kind of in the ball game. The third thing to think about is what's the cost, right? If you can get an extra $5 million of coverage for a minimal cost, why would you not buy it? A lot of times I see businesses feel like they got to go from 1 to 5 to 10. Well, what about a $7 million umbrella? You don't need a round number. And the last thing to think about is what is your risk type? Do you make a product that could kill people? Do you make a product that could sicken millions? So what is your exposure on that front? And also, do you have a large auto fleet? We know how crazy litigious America can be in terms of auto accidents. We see the lawyer commercials. So think about those things when you're trying to determine your umbrella limit. One last note on a personal side, if you own a home and you have homeowners insurance, strongly consider talk to your agent about a personal umbrella policy. A lot of times they cost maybe like $250, $300, and that can get you $1 million of coverage. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with others. Let's engage. I hope you found tons of value. Thanks.